Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha here. Let's learn to draw 3D illusion in the easiest way. Draw the center of the sheet and using a compass start making the circles all around. Here I am using 1 centimeter of difference for all the circles and then divide the circles into equal lines. I am using the protector. If you want, you can skip this step, but if you want an even design all over your this 3D illusion drawing, then please go for it. In this way, all the lines will become perfectly fine and it will come out really good, the illusion effect. You can start with any kind of pen, like I am using Sharpie, Micron pen, then gel pen, CD writer, sketch pen, anything, whatever black kind of thing you have, you can start with it. And when you are starting with the fine portion, like where we have to do the intricate designs, the very thin lines, then you always use a fine tip pen or sketch pen or any marker. Oh, made a mistake. Not to worry, there is a cheat for it. Use a white gel pen and just write it over it. I am using Uniball Signo 0.7. Ta-da! And you are good to go. If you want, you can just simply draw the lines directly on the lines which we have made using the protectors. But the difference is, if you make those straight lines, you won't be able to find the difference between the black and the white lines. If you see it properly, those lines are not connected like equally. It's like one is on the right hand side, then other is on the left hand side. So go for one by one and then complete the drawing. In this way, you will get the perfect 3D illusion. Now here for the angles. I am trying to keep the angles equal. I know the width will be little broader as it will be going the outside. You can see, but the angles are all equal, and this way it will give the dimension to it. You can see like it's now already it started looking as a 3D. So go for one by one step. For the edges, I am using the fine tip gel pen, and once done with that, I am just filling it with a thick marker. Hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Leave your valuable feedback and press the bell icon for the notification of a new video. Thank you so much. Stay connected.